Good morning, everyone. As we were discussing the yoga and lifestyle, our topic is obesity. So, let us discuss about the obesity. My dear students, a person has traditionally been considered to be obese if they are more than 20% over their ideal weight. How we can get the ideal weight? That is a very mathematical and concept based formula, that is BMI, body mass index. Obesity is defined as the state of being grossly fat or overweight. If we talk about the Indian context, total body fat percentage is, if greater than 30% in male and 35% in female, that person will be accepted as obese. If we talk about the BMI, a BMI of 25 to 29.9 is defined as the pre-obese. If it is 30 to 34.99 is defined as obese class 1. Obesity class 2 BMI would fall 35 to 39.99%. Whereas if it is greater than 40, that means it is obese class 3. Here what we have seen, that 30 to 34.99 is defined as obese class 1, and that is the class of obesity. Obese class 3, that is the worst condition of the body, and in this category we can find very few persons. Always we should take the ideal weight in account the person height, age, sex and build up. Here I can give you the example through this screen. Here we can see that if it is 18.5, see the condition and structure of the body, and this type of body structure would be treated as underweight body. The second body weight or BMI falls within 18.5 to 24.9, and this is a very handsome and normal body weight. The third one is 25 to 29.9, and this class of body falls within overweight. Here obesity class 1 you can see 30 to 39.9, and if it is more than 40, then it is obesity class 3, and definitely it would be the diseased prone body. Here we can get the example of this. These are photographs. These photographs allow us to know about the body fat percentage. Here this is. Simply it happens that whenever we talk about the body fats, we feel a bit tough to know how much body fats are there in the body. Through this slide, we can have a glance on the different body fats categories. Here you can see that it is 3 to 4%. Here we can get 6 to 7%, 10 to 12%. This is 40%, 15%. This is 20%, and this is 25%. So how we can see that how gradually the fats are increased in the body and what kind of look we can have. This is 30%. Here this is 35%, and if it is more than 40% or 40%, the body will look like this. Now we will talk about the yogasanas which can help to prevent the obesity. The first asana is Vajrasana, Padahastasana, Trikonasana, and Ardha Machendrasana. One by one, we will study about the asanas which can prevent obesity if we practice it regularly. Also, we will talk about the procedure, benefits, and what kind of contradiction are there with these asanas. Means, if some kind of physiological or physical problems are there in the body, we should not perform these asanas. Vajrasana posture has been named after the shape it takes, that of a diamond or thunderbolt. That means Vajra. One can sit in Vajrasana at the time of doing pranayama. Fold both the legs, keeping your hips on the heels and with toes pointing out behind and a big toes touching each other. Sit on the pit formed by the parted heels, as you can see here. Keep the head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Palms should be facing up, placed on your thighs. Hold the pose and take the long deep breath. Breathe out and relax. Strengthen your legs. Through these yogasanas, we can enhance the blood circulation. It improves digestion. We can release the gas formed inside the body. Nerves of legs and thighs are strengthened. It also makes flexible the knee and ankle joints. Some contradictions are there. Acute trouble of stiffness in foot, ankle as knees. In sleep disc condition, we should not do it. If a person is having difficulty in movement, they must take the precaution while performing these asanas. The second asana is Padhastasana. Padhastasana is a standing forward fold and one of the 12 basic posture of Hatha Yoga. It is also the third pose of Surya Namaskar. It is believed to reduce tamas, which means heaviness or inertia in the body. If we feel lethargic, tired, and helpless to perform any activity, we should do Padahastasana. The asana names comes from the Sanskrit word pada, which means foot, hasta that means hand, and asana means sit or perform the posture. It improves flexibility of the spine and tones the nerves, enhance blood circulation, helps increase fats around the abdomen, increases flexibility of the body, leads the better digestion and prevention of constipation. The third asana is Trikonasana. As you can see that stand straight, separate your foot comfortably wide apart 3 to 4 feet. Turn up your right foot out 90-degree and left foot in by the 15-degree. Align the center of your right heel with the center of the arc of your left foot. Rest your right hand either on your seen ankle or on the floor outside. Stress the maximum and be steady. Your left hand. Keep taking in long deep breath. With each exhalation, relax the body more and more. Just be with the body and the breathe. As we inhale, come up, bring your arm down to your side and strengthen your feet. Repeat the same step on the another side. Means once if you are bending yourself this side, then the second time you have to do it with the left one. Trikonasana gives a strength to our chest, knees, and arms, improves blood circulation. Also, it makes coordination between physical and mental state of our body. It decreases stress, anxiety, and backache. It reduces fats around the waist. Our fourth asana is Ardha Machendrasana. This asana is named after Yogi Machendranath. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word Ardha, which means half, Matasya means fish. Indra, which means stands for a king, and asana, which means posture. This asana is also called Bakrasana. Bakra means twisted in Sanskrit. We can do this exercise or asana sitting on a floor. Sit with legs straight and relax the whole body. Place the sole of the right foot flat on the floor. On the outside of the left knee, bend the left leg and lay the left heel beside the right buttock. Both buttocks should be on the floor. The back is upright and relaxed. Bring the left arm to the outside of the right knee and grasp the right ankle. Breathe normally. Slowly return to the straight position. Repeat this step on the another side. Through these asanas, we can have benefits on our obesity problem. The same it works. Promotes mobility of the spine and hips. Breathe is also dependent in this position. It stimulates functioning of the kidney and pancreas, ability to concentrate anything always improved, makes the spine elastic, encourage oxygen supply to the lungs. If we are having pain in the knees or hips, we should avoid this as if we are having the back pain, we should take precaution and very carefully we should perform this asana. So here we can see that how Ardha Matsyendrasana is good for the body as well as it works on the obesity. So today we could know through this lecture what is obesity, what is VMI, how we can prevent the obesity through the different asanas. That asanas are Vajrasana, Padhasta Asana, Trikonasana, and Ardha Matsyendrasana. So today you will write the answer in your notebook of the following questions. What is obesity? Define BMI. What do you mean by body weight and fat percentage? Write down the asanas which can prevent obesity with its procedure and benefits and contradiction. So I hope as soon as possible you will send me the answers of the questions which I have given you. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.